So this is my Ulanzi tripod selfie stick, and let me tell you, the one thing that separates this from other tripods and selfie sticks I've used, it's just the craftsmanship. The build quality is excellent, it's sturdy. I mean, you can see it's made out of metal and really heavy plastic. See this pivot point in here? It's all metal. So it really does feel good, it feels sturdy. My camera is an investment, so I want to make sure my camera is sitting on something sturdy. And I've used some of those inexpensive, cheap, for lack of a better word, tripods in the past that are all plastic and they don't even last long. Or you get them all stretched out and they're not stable enough and your camera will come falling down on you. So yeah, invest in quality. That's what I like about the Ulanzi. Opens up, sturdy build. Attention to detail too. Is also got a little place over here where you can put accessories. So this is what I use for my external microphone if I need another place to mount it. So if you want a quality tripod slash selfie stick for your camera, definitely give this Ulanzi some consideration.